Welcome to kurumicooks. You can find this recipe and more at my website kurumicooks.co.uk. Today we are going to make cucumber and wakame salad in a vinegar marinade. Here are the ingredients. 1 medium cucumber, 2.5 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dried wakame seaweed, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted sesame seed. First, mix the sugar with the vinegar until the sugar has dissolved. Soak the dried wakame in water for 5 minutes. Slice the cucumber. Slice it as thinly as you can, so the cucumber becomes soft when you marinate it. Sprinkle the salt over the cucumber and mix it well using your hand. Leave it for 15 minutes. Squeeze any excess water from the wakame and cucumber and mix them together well. Now add the vinegar mixture. Now stir everything together well. Garnish with the sesame seed. Serve as a starter or a side dish. Healthy and refreshing. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel here. See you again soon.